Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Porsche 911 GT1 LM9 1998. So I think it is this car performed in Le Mans if I'm not wrong. So okay, let me start with how I got this car. I might have mentioned this couple of times in the prelude video. So one of my friend, now he is my good friend, so his name is Shubham. So he reached out to me on Reddit. So while I was commenting on some something in the Hot Wheels community, so he mentioned that he likes my content and all these things, and then he mentioned that he wants to gift me something. So I told, I usually don't like those kind of things. So I said it's okay, that's fine. So he came back and said, no, I really like your content. I want to appreciate that. So this is my way of showing that. So for originally, Shubham, if you are watching this video, don't get me wrong. I thought it is going to be a prank. So because it's Reddit, right? So and then later on we started talking a little bit, and then we get to know each other really well, and then we connected over WhatsApp, and then he asked my address. So within a couple of days, I actually got this. So he actually owns a website. The website name is Diecast Silk Road. So I would put that website link in the description. You can check his website out, because that's my way of showing appreciation to him. So yeah. So with that said, thank you so much, Shubham, for this particular casting. So this is, I know, this costs somewhere between, I don't know, 1,900 or 2,000, around that range, if I'm not wrong. So with that said, because this is the very first casting in this brand for me, and it was given by him. He specifically mentioned he wants to give this particular brand to me because I never unboxed it in my channel. I never have any of the casting from this brand. So let's start with that. So again, thank you, Shubham, thank you for this. So let's go over the box here. So yeah, you can see here 24 hours Le Mans. So, and you can see the Trend hologram, Porsche hologram, and Porsche licensing. So this actually has two opening pieces here. So why are we wasting time? Let's open it. I need to get used to this knife. I really like this knife because it is really sleek, as you can see. I really like that because of that reason. I did cut the box. Sorry, the wrapper, I guess. Okay, this is the back side of the casting. Okay, there's nothing inside the box. So it comes with this particular holder. I personally like these kind of holders because it actually holds that casting in place. Okay, let me put this aside. Okay, so here it is. It has a little bit of dust to it, but yeah, that happens. So out of the box, the casting looks absolutely gorgeous. I mean, the livery on this one, it is really nice. It looks really unique, to be honest. So instead of like a generic slapping of some brands there, they actually went with some kind of livery on this particular car. I honestly never saw this actual car, but this looks really beautiful. I mean, it feels a bit heavy, and it has acrylic headlights. That is really nice. And the sponsor details here, it looks really nice. Wow, you can see the detailing here. The tail lights are also acrylic, and you can see the exhaust detailing here. That actually goes really deep. I hope you guys can see it. Again, I'm seeing this through my privacy protector, so I'm hoping that you guys can able to see it clearly than me here. Okay, so this is a full metal casting, as you can see here, and I really like the fact they went with this normal Phillips screws here, and it has some like holes here so that you can mount it on a display. That is really great. And you can see the rear view mirrors here. That is that is fixed firmly. I don't know if it is. It looks plastic. I think so. Yeah, that feels plastic. So, but it is a separate piece. It is not like the silicon kind of material which Mini GTR Pop Race uses. I'm really happy that they went with this plastic piece instead of those. And the interior detail looks really nice. And you can see the wiper detailing here, the Porsche logo here. Everything looks really gorgeous. Okay, let's see what is this. Okay, 50 years of Porsche, 1948 to 1998. Looks really nice. Okay, let's get to the part where we open the thing. So these are actually held together with this magnets. These are actually powerful. It is not cheap. Honestly, when we unboxed that Huracan STO by Pop Race, that felt really cheap. And even this what is that one? I think that is also by Pop Race. That is one Acura NSX, if I'm not wrong. That Evangelion themed Acura NSX. That castings rear opens up, the engine bay opens up. So it had good detailing on the engine aspect, but the piece on the top, the plastic, that is a plastic piece, and it is really cheap, to be very honest. So this is actually metal. This is not plastic. Let me put this here, and you can see the detailing here. That is really great. And we can actually remove this piece also. This is also held by magnet. Again, this is also a metal piece. This is not plastic by any means. It has some kind of, okay, so this is the tail light piece here, you can see. That is really nice. You can see the engine detailing here. That is really awesome, man. The exhaust comes here. So this is the part I was talking about, whether you guys can see it clearly. Now you can see it clearly, I guess. That is really nice. You can see the carbon fiber piece here. I mean, it is not exactly carbon fiber here in this case, but you are getting my point, I hope. Okay, the roof scoop looks really nice. I just want to look at this casting instead of looking at my phone display. Okay, let me check out one more thing. Okay, the tires are actually rubber. It does feel like, I mean, look like plastic, but that is actually rubber. It is not plastic. Oh my God, luckily nothing happened. So I just want to handle it, really delicate manner so that I won't break anything or I won't put my fingerprints all over. But I'm just slipping a lot of times. I need to hold it very tightly moving forward. That is really nice. This entire thing is actually made of metal. It is not. But these pieces here, these are actually plastic. These are actually pasted on top of this metal chassis here. Looks really beautiful. Okay, let me put everything back and then we will weigh this casting now. That is easily going back there. You don't need to put any effort there. Just put it like this. And like I mentioned, it's not falling down. That is awesome. Okay, I accidentally pulled pulled it like this. It didn't even fall down. That is really nice. Okay, 46 grams, not even bad at all. So this has free rolling wheel. Again, this is not going to roll really well, but let's see. Okay, it doesn't roll at all. But still, it has free rolling wheels. Okay, one more thing I want to inform you guys is the spoiler here, which is, I don't think that is made of metal. That feels like plastic. Yeah, that is plastic piece actually. So the spoiler is plastic here, but rest of the body is metal, and this piece here on the rear view mirrors, this is plastic. So we need to rate this casting now. 10 out of 10. That's it. I'm not going to beat around the bush. 10 out of 10. That's it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.